Hey friends, if you wish to fix Winload file missing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, the most typical solution to this problem is an SFC scan because a certain system file is missing and an SFC scan fixes that. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check test scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The last is a set of commands, the boot commands. So I have shared it in the description section of the video. These commands will rebuild the boot configuration drive. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste them here and hit enter. They may or may not work, but see, the main solution was the SFC scan itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.